a video part 2 of the emotionless girl to the happy girl, and it just came out. So please like and subscribe to that, and also to this.
Episode 2.
And guys, just let me tell you one thing. I heard that you guys
And her thumbnail
love this.
And her thumbnail sucks.
And guys, I heard that you love this because you always like it. So let's go. I hope you really like this video.
Yeah, I hope you do. Because if you don't, I'm going to come to your house and beat you up.
Willow, please.
Okay, fine. You can start it over.
So guys, look at this. I'm spinning the wheel. And let's see, do I get a star or do I get a slime? No, not strawberry. It's boring. Fine. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm sorry that if you guys, I am very proud of that. I got 11 views on the other one. I'm gonna try this to make this one so much longer. You know. Shaving cream, please. Fine then, we'll get strawberry slime again. Even though I really want to try chocolate, I want to see how much famous it is, you know. Alright, everything's for sale, everyone.
This video is sponsored by Pandora.
This video is sponsored by my favorite thing. You guys should really try X Recorder. It records you while you're playing games.
Yeah, it's super duper fun.
Trust us.
Trust me. A girl who has not been stopped watching YouTube for 40 years, and I sound like a surfer girl, then you should... Oh, I forgot my line.
She forgot her line.
Then you should go download it.
Yes, Subway Surfers.
Oh my...
Subway Surfers is so great. I mean, like, yeah.
Right now I'm watching people eat a Big Mac. Because I'm a weirdo.
Yeah. She really is, guys. And
Putting it
guys,
in slime.
and like and subscribe.
And guess who I'm watching it from?
Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't. And comment down below when you want her. She wants to sponsor somebody.
Okay, so go to Amanda and Kayla. They do Gotcha Life videos. They have Bloxburg videos. Everything. Please go on over there. I'm even there, but please don't start sending me friend requests.
I need to sponsor a few YouTubers.
Yeah, do it then.
So I want to sponsor you know, the most famous YouTuber in the world, Key. Key is the best. I really want to sponsor that because it's my favorite. And also Gotcha Life videos, they're great.
Go to Karina Garcia, Mr. Beast, and PewDiePie. I don't know. I just a random YouTuber said I saw on YouTube.
So guys.
Oh my God! An ad is on.
Let's go. No ads. I mean, like, yeah.
So why didn't you guys go to 10?
And guys, today we're going to be playing this, as you know, and you can see. And stuff. So guys, please, I really need this help for you to like and subscribe to my video.
Yeah, because we're homeless.
No, we're not. Hi. Guys, I'm secretly controlling it.
I'm here too.
So yeah.
Jake, I'm here too.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. As you can see, I've been working very hard. Now it's time to pay this. How much does it cost to buy land? So I want to make more, walls. Nothing wrong with that, right? So I need more glue, guys.
Yeah, she needs more glue, so I had to buy it from her shop.
So guys, let me tell you one thing. Like and subscribe if you want to see me.
Give away a butt.
Sorry guys, she's being annoying again.
Yeah, I know.
It's her job, right?
Yeah, it's my job. I get paid for this. I actually don't get paid for this, but if you want to pay me, come on, I live in North America.
I turned out the light on because I don't know what to do. Guys, please like and subscribe if you want to see us do some jokes. Free slime giveaway. It's for them, the people in the game, not for you.
Why?
Cause I got no slime. But
Guys, did you actually know that we're from England and we can speak British?
Did you?
Speak in our British accent. Do you like a tea? I speak British pretty good, but I like the American voice. Yeah, I like this voice better.
So we will be playing this. I have two accents, country and British. British only has an accent, if you didn't know, and so does country. So, would you like a spot of tea? Also, it's a very great, elegant time of the day. It's night when we get our beauty sleep, and so
It's too dark in here.
I hope you like and subscribe to my videos because it's so nice. And you want to hear my country accent? Hey, all the sheriff. Say, I got a country accent and stuff. So, yeah, just think all that. So, guys, who's excited? I'm gonna add some new things to this place.
Okay, fine. I won't fart no more.
So, there's a cornstarch thing.
We live in North America.
She meant England.
So,
Yeah. Like, so